everyone, myself Netravati KV, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Aid College, Mulgund. In this video, I am going to cover a small topic from the subject Business Environment from the chapter Technological Environment. The topic I am going to cover is Economic Effect of Technology. The learning objective of this particular video is to make you to understand the economic effect of technology. After going through this particular video, you will be able to understand and analyze the economic effects of technology. Firstly, introduction part. Economic development depends on level of economic activities of a country. Technology plays an important role in increasing economic activities and ensuring economic progress. As per P.K. Dar, a noted economist, technological advancement is considered as an important determination of economic growth. By technological advancement, we mean improved technological know-how and its broad-based application. It includes use of technological progress for economic gains, application of applied science resulting in innovations and inventions, utilization of innovation on a larger scale. Technological advancement can be of three types: capital saving, labor saving, neutral, both. Capital saving technology requires less investment of capital and it makes more use of labor. This kind of technology is useful to developing countries like India, Pakistan, etc., which have shortage of capital but abundance of labor. Labor saving technology requires less labor due to more investment of capital. This kind of technology is suitable to the developing countries like US, UK, which have abundant capital but less supply of labor. Developing countries like India, Brazil should have applied capital saving technology, but unfortunately development of technology in these countries are very poor. They have adopted labor saving technology by importing or through technology transfer from developed countries. And the next topic is economic effects of technology. Technological development profound effects on the economy of a country. These economic effects on the economy are briefly described as by studying the certain points. The first one, increased production and productivity. Productivity is defined as efficient or economic use of inputs. Technology helps to achieve productivity. Application of technology results in decrease in cost of production by wastages, improving speed and quality. The most profound effect of technology is increased productivity and production in terms of quality as well as quantity, whether in factories or educational institutions or hospitals or infrastructures. Because of improvements in productivity and production, the real wages of employees tend to rise while prices of our products are tending to decline. The second one is problems of technostructure. A business organization which has adopted the latest technology is full of scientists, engineers, technical graduates and highly skilled workers. All these intellectual employees tend to become highly professional and knowledgeable through the organization boost of its intellectual personnel. It will face certain serious problems like motivating such intellectual personals and difficulty in retaining such employees, etc. The next one is insatiable demand for capital. Technology demands uninterrupted flow of capital. Capital is needed to install technology. Furthermore, capital is needed to replace the old technology with the new technology. The next one is research and development activities. There are various options of developing technology. They can be technology transfer or outsourcing also. Business units in India do not invest much capital in research and development activities. The record of Indians, firms in private sector and also the government sector spending on research and development activities is very poor. Whereas research and development spending in India is around 1% of GDP. It is between 2 to 3% of GDP for countries like UK and USA. Out of 1% of the spending on research and development in India, the major share is of the government and various government agencies. The next one is need for bioprofessional and multi-professional managers. Technocrats who take the reins of administration in their hands required to be qualified in management in addition to the specialized qualifications. Modern business requires bioprofessional and multi-professional managers. The required qualification for a factory manager post is a degree in engineering and MBA, Master of Business Administration, or BBM, Master of Business Management from or any recognized universities. And the next one is increased regulations by government which is the chief controller of economic activities, plays an important role in the growth of technology. The role of government can be identified with the two ways. And the first one is it provides incentives and facilities for a technological development, I mean research and development. And the next one is it introduces regulations and restrictions to ensure use of technology for the welfare of the society. The government is empowered to investigate and ban products which are directly harmful or which hurt the feelings of certain sections of the society. And the next one is e-governance. Technology helps to undertake e-governance. The spread of internet, revolution in the communication technology, teleconferencing, techno advancements in the computer technology have contributed for the growth of e-governance. There are many benefits from the e-governance. Example: transparency in dealing, speed and accuracy, which is which is less costly also. No need to maintain heavy files and records. And the next one is rise and decline of products and organizations. Technology will keep on continuously updating itself. New technology replaces old technology. Due to this, new products replaces old products also. Firms which develop new technology and introduce new products will serve, otherwise they have to make a ways for the new firms. And thank you. The references which helped me to make this video is our Business Environment book written by K.D. Baswa sir, and Business Environment book written by Dr. M.L. Guledgud and Dr. S.L. Guledgud sir, and the Business Environment book written by Professor Vivek Mittal. Thank you.